This 500-acre complex is meticulously managed. Let me show you the projected yields right here on the clipboard. Here at VT, we ensure the water is crystal clear and safe for drinking. Notice how pristine the filtration system keeps it.
All right, we're set up now. These lines cover about 20 feet each pass.
After 30 days, the pasture is lush and ready. We ensure the health of the land. This farm runs on 60% solar power. Listen to the gentle hum of the inverters.
I want to show you these beautiful grapes. They smell so sweet in the evening air. It's very peaceful here. There you go, little one. It's a beautiful morning for foraging.
How do they raise millions and collect billions of eggs? Let's see step by step.
Begin count. Reading 12. Confirmed.
Our real-time dashboard tracks the output. We're currently exceeding 23,400 eggs every hour.
The journey begins as our fresh eggs approach the gentle, warm water spray, ensuring perfect cleanliness.
At 3 weeks, 2 talons, feathers starting to show. Moving to a small outdoor enclosure.
Ready? And lift.
Okay, I got it. Watch your step. Slow down, let's put it here.
Easy now.
The network is fully established. We have 20 barns, 40 pastures, and the central processing plant, all linked in the system.
Welcome to the facility. These automated silos each hold 50 tons of grain, ensuring a constant supply for our operations.
You want to smooth it out just like this, nice and tight. See the red VT there? That means it's certified.
We are optimizing the delivery of the feed. If you listen closely, you can hear the pellets rushing through the tubes.
The blend is perfect. We've got the right mix of corn, soy, and vitamins here.
Keep it coming, we're almost full up here.
Look at the texture of the corn, the wheat, and the oyster shells. So relaxing.
Here at the farm, we use the buggy to feed the Rhode Island Reds, making sure these girls get their fill of golden grain every morning.
Pasture 4, water low.
Hello there. Welcome to the farm. This is where we raise our happy hens. Aren't they lovely?
The VT sensors show remarkable consistency in the flock's movement data. We're seeing optimal results.
Hello. As you can see on the screen, our flock health is at 99.2%. This is an excellent result for the quarter.
Remember, our goal is not just treatment, but compassionate care. These guidelines are designed to ensure the well-being and comfort of every animal.
Barn 3 feed levels are dropping below critical threshold. I am dispatching a refill team now.
This model automatically responds to the simulated storm outside, ensuring the seal remains tight against the heavy wind and rain. This nest is flagged for repair. You can see the damage to the wire mesh here. We need to clean this thoroughly before.
The valve is now opening. Notice the smooth rotation and the gentle rush of the water flowing through the pipes.
Feed bin level 30%. Automatic reorder to supplier.
To address this, carefully add 5 drops of this probiotic solution to the water each morning.
Pasture number 1 features short, lush grass. In contrast, pasture number 2 has tall.
Come on, girls, move along now. We're heading to the fresh pasture today.
The hens need this crushed oyster shell for the calcium. It helps make their eggshells strong. Wriggling in the soft, dry earth. Now a big shake, fluffing out the feathers. So relaxing. The doors are closing smoothly now, and the hens are all tucked in for the night. Good night, ladies.
Scanning complete. Data looks excellent. You are a very healthy hen, yes you are.
"5 a.m. Time to wake up. The lights begin their slow climb to morning.
Happy hens, town says more eggs.
Millions of hens, billions of eggs.
Total count for today, 12,572 eggs so far.
Here we see the eggs entering the warm water spray, removing any impurities gently yet effectively.
The brushes spin softly, polishing each egg until it gleams. So gentle, so clean.
Here you can see the eggs coming out of the air dryer tunnel, completely dry and incredibly shiny.
Please ensure the collection trays are regularly replaced to maintain the continuous flow of the sorting process.
The microphone is listening closely to the tap. No deviation detected in the shell integrity. From the cold room, these beautiful eggs begin their journey. Listen closely to the smooth rollers and the gentle whirring.
Our annual egg production is 2.1 billion eggs.
This machine ensures only the highest quality eggs move forward. It's quite satisfying to watch.
This is how we guarantee quality. The blood spots are removed instantly by the air precision jets.
We are comparing the sample to the Rocher color fan. It appears to be a perfect match for level 13B. The color saturation is excellent.
Total eggs per year from this farm, 375 million.
Billions of eggs across all farms.
After loading the samples and reaching 10,000 RPMs, the centrifuge successfully separates the yolk from the egg white, as you can see here.
We heat the liquid egg to exactly 60 degrees Celsius. This ensures it's fully pasteurized and safe, as you can see here on the readout. Our state-of-the-art labeling machine ensures every egg receives the free-range to Grade A certification. We adjust the dial here to calibrate the scales. This ensures the small eggs are diverted left and the extra large ones go right.
Good eggs move to packing station.
First, we select the freshest brown eggs, then carefully load them into the clear 12-count containers.
And here we have the final carton, ready for shipping. Tapping it gently now, sealed and secure.
No part of the egg is wasted.
Keep coming back, nice and slow. All right, hold it, you're clear. Set your brakes.
The MK5000 series is currently running at peak efficiency, handling 30 eggs every 6 seconds.
These are floor eggs, collected separately and sent directly to the liquid line for pasteurization. They will not be sold in stores.
Placing the final tray now. See how they fit perfectly. And we gently fold the flaps closed.
We seal every box fresh with today's date and the farm name. See the VT stamp right here?
The palletizer is working efficiently. That's box number 48, 49, and 50. Perfect stack.
All right, this one is wrapped tight and ready to go. The VT stamp means it's verified for transit.
VT Logistics, this is Unit 3. Pallet 7B is secured in the 4-degree zone, aisle 5.
Hello there. We have arrived with the organic shipment. 20 tons of fresh grain for you today.
This is the best breakfast ever. I almost forgot about work.
I'm glad you like it, sweetie. Eat up.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.